and then you can able to fulfill your crystal placements. So I'm gonna apply one layer, so don't apply it too thick and too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is might not adhere your crystal properly, and that is a little bit thick density, so you'll make sure that you're blending it out. And it looks lumpy a little bit. It doesn't look like lumpy. It's just like not smooth, like you're putting a top coat. So now we are going to add the top coat on. Thank you, Mika. Floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. So you can see that now is really nice and shiny right here. All right, so let's go into the second nails for a $10 nail art. And then we are going, I'm loving these colors. Picking a smaller frame, and this is also come in with your crystal, neon crystal kits, and it's come with silver and gold mega mix. And then we are going to get another frame. I saved all the pictures, so then you can really definitely access into it. You can even save it if you prefer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add is SS8 actually. This is so stunning because even though the background is so beautiful and vibrant, this neon is still standing and it's really like showing its colors. I'm going to add some beads on. And also the beads is come on the with the kits as well. And one beads right there. I'm gonna use some silver because I like that to get a little bit of contrast. That one, and you can keep on if you want to. If the client's like, oh, I don't want it just $10, I want $15. It's a fun nail art. You definitely can fulfill your clients. Add one more. How's everyone doing so far? Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm having such a great time. Every time it's like seeing it's all a different cool crystals. I really want to create some fun and super simple, easy design so then you can have a lot of inspiration. And you know what? I can go on and on with how and tie the crystal here, but we are going to do $10 nail art. So then that way your clients can have a little taste of, and also it's depend on the salon locations, okay, and the products and the techniques you're using. So we're gonna keep this for 60 seconds.